Welcome back. In the last videos, you learned how triads and seventh chords are built. Chords formed by stacking major and minor thirds. You know that the root determines the chord's name, and the third above the root tells you whether it's major or minor. With seventh chords, we add the seventh as an extra color tone. But what happens if we rearrange the notes of a chord? Take the C major triad, C, E, G. If we move the bottom note, C, up an octave, we get E, G, C. Does it still sound like C major? Yes, absolutely. But the chord is no longer in root position. It is now in an inversion. Inversions occur when the notes of a chord are rearranged. For the C major triad, there are two possible inversions. Root position, C, E, G. First inversion, E, G, C. Second inversion, G, C, E. Listen to all three forms. You'll notice the change in color even though it's still the same chord. For seventh chords, things get even more interesting. With 4 notes, we have 3 inversions. You might wonder, how do you recognize the chord when the notes are mixed up? Very simple. Rearrange the notes until they form stacked thirds. The lowest note in this stack is the root. Example 1. A, D, F. Move the note A up 1 octave. The result is D, F, A, which forms a D minor triad. Therefore, the original A, D, F is the second inversion. Example 2. C, D, F sharp, A. Move the note C up 1 octave. The result is D, F sharp, A, C. The third above D is major, so the basic chord is D major. The interval from D to C is a minor seventh, so the chord is a D dominant seventh, or D7. Therefore, the original C, D, F sharp, A is the third inversion. To master inversions, you need a bit of practice, but over time, you'll recognize them at a glance. Check out our shorts where we practice this with quick examples. In the last video of this series, we look at how chord tones are spread across the octave ranges. So-called voicings. Give us a like and stay tuned to dive even deeper into music theory. See you soon.